Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the great laptop case from MOSISO. It is 16 inches and it fits your MacBook Pro. This is the midnight green, which I absolutely love. It is a dark, vibrant color. I love that the case fits perfectly all around the edges. It's really easy to install. It makes sure that all of the ports that I have on my 16-inch, that way I can use everything, but it stays protected. Also, they give you so much more than just the case. They give you extra features like a screen protector and also the keyboard protector. That way you can keep it free from scratches, and the keyboard protector helps keep all the crumbs, so if you're eating while you're working on your computer, it kind of saves it from that. If you're ready to give your MacBook Pro a little bit of personality, check out these hard plastic cases to keep them protected and secure. And that's my point of view.